Hello dear ones, I would familiarize you in this quick session of today a very common word to learn. So let's jump straight to that to know what that word is. And the word is tea. T-E-A. Yes, you found it right. The word is tea. Is it so simple to catch such a common term to be chosen as a vocabulary term? Yes, it is. Actually, there is more to this word to learning about. Let's discuss how. Take a look here. The word tea, in general terms, called as a beverage. Figuratively, a blended hot flavored drink, essentially a mix of milk, sugar, tea leaves, and water. Basically, a Chinese term. These were the Macanese, the Chinese people who first named it chai. The word has its ultimate origin from Chinese city, that is Macau. Got first discovered by Chinese emperor known as Shennong. Most interestingly, first introduced in India by Robert Bruce and Maniram Diwan. Assam is the city where it got discovered as sapling plant. In the year 1824. It's important to note there are some varieties in tea that follows different methods in its preparation. For instance, see the illustrations on your screen like green tea, milk tea, white tea, or long tea. Let's see some example sentences of the word. Rose sipped her tea again. Here is the next one. Lucy drank green tea from a cup made of earthenware. The word tea also means an idle talk, that is, gossip or a kind of juicy news. Can be interpreted as a casual talk, that is, shared between friends, colleagues, typically on unimportant matters. Or a small talk, table talk over the revelations of others' privacy or secret matters. To understand it better, see the examples over here. Here's the first one. The second example of this very word. The word tea, also referred to as an evening meal, that is high tea. Normally eaten between 5 to 7 pm, it's a common term associated with the working class or the laborers. See the examples. Here's the first one. Hello Paul, it's 4 pm, time for high tea. See the next one. Look John, high tea is over now. Let's get back to work. It's time to clocking off.